Today we finna have some what?
Cauliflower chicken wings.
So if y'all got that, we're gonna have cauliflower wings 3 different ways. 3 different ways. So we're gonna have cauliflower wings 3 different ways, and we're gonna show you how we made it. So first, we're gonna start off by either you're gonna have frozen or you're gonna have
regular.
Just the regular and cut it up. We got both, frozen and the raw. Then we have some breadcrumbs.
What's up, Thompson Gang? Don't forget to subscribe
and then we have some. Oh yeah, the flax seeds with some coconut milk. The flax seeds with some coconut milk and some parsley.
That's our egg.
Yeah, that's gonna be the egg portion to bind it. So kids, the kids gonna actually be making them. Put them together.
What did you do?
So let me put my glove on so I can show you how it's done. I'm showing the kids how to do it.
I see that over here.
Mama, we're gonna get the cauliflower and we're gonna dip it in the eggs. I'm sorry, dip it in the flax seeds wash. We're gonna get it all in there. Pick it out. And then we're going to take it to the breadcrumbs. And we're going to do that for all of them in there. We got other seasonings in the other 2 breadcrumbs over there that we're going to use for some of them. So kids, do y'all get that? Y'all see how to do it?
Yes.
All right. So y'all take turns doing it. I guess Jaden going first.
Mama, can I put the blood? You just get one.
Where did you put your gloves, Toya? I got it. Yeah.
What? Oh my gosh, so it's cool. It's cold. It's for Mama.
Put it in there.
Well, I need a spoon. Right there. Take it out.
Alright guys, now we're ready to put the actual sauce on these cauliflower nuggets. Alright, yeah, kids, y'all gonna put the sauce on?
Yes.
So which sauce are you doing, Robbie?
I'm doing the hot sauce.
Okay, so we made some hot sauce. Some hot sauce.
It's not that hot. I'm doing that. You doing this one. I'm doing that one. I'm doing the barbecue.
Alright, go ahead.
Get that barbecue sauce. It's a lot. What did you say?
After they do all of them, it's gonna go in the oven. Alright guys, we're done. So let's see how it tastes. How does the cauliflower taste?
5.
5? Okay. Jaden?
A 5.
A 5?
Let me try.
Koya? Okay, she can't even talk. What about you,
5.
Robbie?
I'll give it a 5. Alright, a 5.
You'll give it a 5?
Mm-hmm. Oh, very okay.
What about you, Deuce Deuce?
Yes.
Yes? A 5? What about you, Missy? 5?
Yes.
A 5.
Give it a 5 as well. Good stuff. Y'all try the recipe. All right, guys. We have an eating challenge. We're trying to see who's gonna eat the most. Koya and Jaden has barbecue cauliflower, and Missy and Robbie has spicy cauliflower. So we're trying to see who either gonna eat the most or finish theirs first. Okay, guys? So no water, no dressing, no nothing. Just straight it. You hear me?
Easy.
So,
Easy.
y'all ready?
Yes.
On your march, get set, go, go, go! How is it, y'all? Is it hot, Robbie?
Not really.
Not hot.
What about you?
It's good.
I don't know. It looks like It looks like they time right now. Cole, you better eat up. It's either who eat the first or eat the most, Robbie. Because it look like you look like Missy finna win. No water. Slow down now.
Slow and steady wins the race. It's kind of spicy.
Koya look like she finna beat you. She just stuffing it in, girl. Get it, Koya. Oh, and your mouth gotta be full. I mean, you're empty.
These are spicy ones. These are spicy ones. Those are spicy ones. I'm spicy.
I'm a hot boy. I can eat the water.
No, your mouth gotta be done. Nothing in your mouth.
I'm not spicy, so I can't eat them.
No, I don't want to hear that.
I'm spicy.
It's on your plate. If it ain't done, you're over with. No? You nothing in your mouth?
No.
Koya won. No, she ain't. Girl, you crying? What, did you eat a spicy one?
Yep.
It was a, but you ate. Now we on here, Missy and Robbie. Let's see who's gonna win. Koya won the first one.
Girl, gonna take over. Girl, gonna take over.
We'll see about it. Robbie looking like he ain't got no sweat off his bones.
I know my hands sweating. Look, my hands sweating. Look,
She-
Yeah, baby.
Robbie's like he has a strategy over there. Robbie, you have a strategy over there? Got you.
Mama, next time you
Let's
should
see
give me
what-
all
See her drinking her water. She won. Fair and square. Deuce, no. I see Deuce trying to take over the competition. Are you trying to help Missy, Deuce?
No, you gotta help your brother clear his plate out. Don't be helping your brother. Stay out of it. No helping your brother, okay? Every man goes up in this race.
Missy looking like she's gonna tap out. Robbie's like really just enjoying it. Missy has too low.
Look, she's in the sweat and quit.
I think he only came to the competition and eat.
Yeah.
Missy won! She almost there.
she didn't.
Hey, not the mat, not the mat. Hey. Missy won the challenge. Robbie lost. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Peace.